Good morning. My name is Lauren Still, and I am a marine educator at the Dauphin Island Sea Lab. And I bet you guys are missing the beach just as much as we are, especially because our offices are right over there. We look out onto this beach and it has been barren because the beaches have been closed. And it was really, really awesome of the Dauphin Island Police Department to give us permission to come out here and bring a little slice of the beach back home to you guys. Today, we're gonna get to go out on a beach walk on our big, beautiful beach, as you can see. And we've had a couple of storms that have come up. So there's lots of different debris and lines that you might be able to see. And today we're gonna go and explore that. So come on, come with me. So the major line that we're going to be talking about today is the wreck line. And the wreck line is the spot where high tide comes up and it deposits organic debris and even man-made debris up onto the beach. So it could be like sticks and leaf litter or shells or even like fossils or fish bones, like you name it. This is the spot where you're going to find really cool stuff. So the reason that we find this really cool stuff on the beach is because of high energy waves. And those high energy waves come from storms or higher winds that are creating our waves to push that debris up onto our beaches. So the larger the waves, the more energy there is, the bigger the pieces of debris or wood or you name it, right? All of that gets washed up onto the beach. And here's a really good example of that larger debris on the beach. You see that there's some driftwood out, and these are some pretty substantial sticks. And I mean, these sticks are what is going to start the building process of our dune system. And we'll get into that a little bit later in a couple different series. And if you look around and look at your feet, you can find really cool animal remains. The remains of fish, bony fish in particular. Okay, so this is one vertebra or one bump in a bony fish's back. Okay, and also in this sand, we're finding little parts of snails. This looks like a little whelk of some sort, or even you've got some, or even some little tiny arc clams like this one. Okay, but this beach is just loaded with the remains of other animals, like from the seashells to even fossils. What we find isn't always natural, but is man-made. It's called marine debris in that case, and these two pieces were found this morning in the wreck line. And sometimes, depending on the size of the waves and that wave energy, it also brings up larger marine debris chunks or pieces. If you're interested in marine debris and want to learn a little bit more, check out the links below to one of our previous episodes. And thank you for tuning in for our little beach walk. I'm really glad that we were able to give you a little slice of the beach and bring it to your home. So join us next week for our new episode of all the cool hidden treasures that you can find on our beach.